Chumulikire bono gotigara kumurekera aimeyega yamatanga boigo nigo muminyoki egiata oyibono romunyankongo igasense ya Kenya hai ni gwali tukulia lero oyibono bakausiri kumabwaye kubwatika ndo basokano obwebara Kelvin Kiptum hasumu yugo yobako kolekana omurai bwense ngati yabarai baikirana as okomwenia omuminyoki oyo as lituko lia lero no ena boni gochinga kyecho omurugyo ye abakagotebuna na hatigarga kumuinyora omwancho kubwatikana nemero bilikonyora babekire nigo konyora babera ubaro berie nyangi eyare gokorekana omutinyokane omwako yo igomora bwense bo igona hatabuna nachi kubwatokerenke yishiringi 10 milioni 5 ekibono kiraba konya sokonyara kwegenderia yo munanda mange mulikito Frida Kerubo aseribwa
magega yogosiria obugima bwaye nigo omuyega bwokomwenia omuminyoki egiata Kelvin Kiptum okolekana asensemo ya Chepkorio imeye county ya Elgeyo Marakwet. Abarai aamba bagoikirana asechinsemecho iliokorwa esko yabo yomoelio. Kolende nigo amayanda abwatanse chingaki omorugi onyagosira Asnet Cheruto arekoerera emerobelio konyora babekire iliogotingia enyomo yabo. Nonyana bonigo aliira yokulenda abana babo asenchira endonge.
I mourn my love, have cried until no more. I'll miss you and your love of my life forever until we meet again. I promise to make them smile in your honor. I'll make you happy all the time. We have been planning for a big day to tie our knots in colorful wedding ceremony in April 2024. But God's plans are greater.
Chinga kiecho boigo nigo morai bwense arwengora ya bene gochia ase amate na boigo asensengima asogosiria Kiptum. Nigo amotogia buna omusayo beire kagotumeka ekiegwa kya yeborunge na kumanyikana asense engima.
Sana pole mama, pole wazazi wake, marafiki wake, the sporting fraternity who are here, na wananchi wa sehemu hii. Huyu Kelvin ingawaje alizaliwa katika sehemu hii, alikuwa amevuka mipaka ya kijiji yake, kaunti yake, akawa ni Mkenya ambaye alitambulika.
Boigo nigo ruto aenekelia abamenyi bensemeyo korosia ebiti byekigosoli unenchereyemo yogokinia ebyegwa. Boigo nigo aenekebuna nigo lichiko lirachikoba ligwetigwa ase bunge elinde kolenda chibesa chechigosoli na koenekebuna nkokora chire emirimo uboikerano.
Najua mumeuliza hapa Chepkorio tuweze kutengeneza hii kiwanja. Hii kiwanja tutatengeneza. Kiwanja ya Kamarin tutatengeneza. Kiwanja ya Iten tutatengeneza. Ile ya Eldoret tutatengeneza. Hizo zote. Kwa sababu sasa ile pesa ilikuwa inatumika kwa mambo mengine tumeyaondoa katika budget yetu ya mwaka huu. We will only have matters sports. And I am going to tell members of parliament we are bringing the sports fund law to parliament so that we can amend to eliminate all the other things that were inadvertently put, that is compromising the fund in matters funding sports.
Abagosolia nigo baboligwa ko bamaiso na kwenekebuna nkoligereria bale chinchere cyabo cyobomenyo eligotanga ebikoro byogosiria obugima bwabo. Nigo okoboligwa kwa rwegwa gocha ase abaiboli na baigo abateneneli bechigosoli wosegeta abasae eliokwenekebuna nko babale abagosoli ebyata.
All need to be mindful of our lifestyles so that we can avoid instances like this, that in a very young age, a very promising a good Kenyan has lost his life. Tutashirikiana pamoja na pia wazazi and the coaches and all the other people that are involved, the managers, they should do more to make sure that we mentor these young people and young athletes into great sportsmen and women.
Kulende okoboligwa nigo kwarwegwa gocha ase omowaziri w'ekigosori Ababu na Mwamba kwaenekebuna nkobeka ale emerobeli emeikiranu yokurwa ebyegwa gocha ase abagosori ebyo birabe biko bakonya asa matuko abosio.
We are going to adjust our reward system so that it is not about just money for today, that it also becomes money for the future. And I'm asking Ababu and your team to sit down and recalibrate our reward system.
Frida Kerubo, Ndizi TV.